Tonight, a Nashville journalist detained by immigration authorities.
In court documents, her attorney claims she was arrested without a warrant. News 2's Kelly Milan spoke with that attorney today and shares more.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Regresamos con más información.
A Nashville television reporter now in immigration detention. Stephanie Rodriguez, who works for Nashville Noticias and Univision 42, was taken into custody by immigration agents March 4th. According to a statement from the outlet, Rodriguez was with her husband outside a gym on Murfreesboro Pike when several cars surrounded their marked news vehicle. The station says several men then exited those cars and demanded Rodriguez be taken into custody. She was later transported to a detention center.
Up until now, she hasn't had a case with ICE charging her with anything, any part of DHS charging with anything. She never had a case with the immigration courts.
Her attorneys have now filed an emergency federal petition asking a judge to order her release. The lawsuit claims Rodriguez entered the United States legally, applied for asylum, and has been seeking a green card through her U.S. citizen husband. Her lawyer says she had been following ICE instructions and was expected to report to the ICE office later this month. But according to her attorneys, when they checked with ICE about her case, they were told the charging documents were still being finalized.
Now, ICE has claimed that her failing to show up last Wednesday was a sign that she is a flight risk. But in this case, there was an ICE officer who 2 days before said, hey, that appointment does not exist.
Her attorneys now question why she was detained at all. The lawsuit also claims immigration agents arrested her without a warrant, a move her attorneys argue violates the Fourth Amendment. Now in detention, her attorneys say she will likely miss an important step in her green card process.
The one meeting she might actually miss is she's supposed to go do her fingerprints for USCIS for her green card application on the 17th of this month. And, can't really get there if you're in detention.
In a statement, the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition says in part, "It's not lost on us that as a reporter, as Stephanie honestly and courageously told real stories about the harms caused by ICE and the people they targeted and detained." Rodriguez is expected to have a hearing March 21st. Her attorneys say a bond motion is likely to follow. Until then, she's being held at a detention center in Louisiana. We reached out to Homeland Security for more information, and we haven't heard back. Back to you.